So hey everyone, welcome. It's Tom Jackson, and today we're going to show you the lift that I made to take off my hardtop here. I got a DV8 Offroad Fastback hardtop, and I made this fall a winch system to take off and on my hardtop so I can do it by myself. So I've got the winch, I've got pulleys connected to a chassis system that I built out of 2x4s and some pool noodles and some carpeting to keep it padded. And today we're going to show you exactly how this works. So I'm going to back up my Jeep into the garage or into the barn here, and we're going to show you exactly how this winch system works so we can take this off all by myself. So check it out. Tailgate. First thing we're going to do is take off the front. Alright, front is off. Next we are going to loosen my bolts in the back so we can take the top off. I do believe they are a 10 or 13 metric. I can't remember exactly. We'll find out. You can loosen up my bolts here. All the bolts are off. So now the top is loose. You have, just remember, you have bolts up here. In the front. Now we're going to lower the winch down over here, and we're going to lower the winch so we can lower our holder. And we're just going to lower it so that piece just touches the top right there. So that top piece is level. Then we're going to lock this back in. Okay, now it can't go any farther. Okay, it's locked in. Alright, there you just heard it lock. As you can see here now, I've dropped the winch down. I've used the winch. I dropped it down to the level of my top, making that top bar level. I wedged the front support beam underneath the top here. Then I came to the back, lifted up the back, and I've wedged the support beam now in the back of the Jeep to hold the back of the top. So you can see it's all in place. You can see that I've got the pool noodles in place to keep the top from getting damaged as well. But I also have installed a couple of eyelets that I'm going to show you here that I use to support the top with the actual holes from where the bolts go. So I put a bungee cord from this hole around the eyelet, back to the other hole here for the top. I do it outside of this bar so it keeps the top from falling off the support beam. And I've got one on each side here. The front doesn't come off, so I don't need any support beams on the front, just the back. So I'm going to hook those up, and then I'll show you how to raise the top here in just a second. I've got one right here going to that eyelet there, over to there. And then I've got one in place here on that eyelet, going to that top hole, over to that top hole. So now I'm going to just close my gate, close my window. I can close my gate a little bit. I don't want to close it all the way. And I'm just going to start winching the top up so it starts to raise. It is free, and we are good. I like to double check it just to make sure it's not going to come off. And there's my top off my Jeep all the way up, as you can see now. I can do that all by myself. I don't need to get my wife involved. She likes to drive it without the top as well too. I'm also going to show you a little bit later on the cart I built to hold my doors and my sun top. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to show you some more cool stuff.